Welcome. This is how to fix iPhone not showing charging symbol when dead. So if you have a broken cable or charger, make sure you are using the original one and make sure that it is not broken. And another thing is make sure your charging port are clean and make sure the charger port is clean as well to ensure there are no hardware issues. Now another option that you could try is you could just simply go through the settings into your phone, and now once you are here on the settings, you could just simply scroll down and go for the general over here. Now here on the general, you should be able to see software update. And from here, guys, when there is any update on your system, you should be able to update it over here. And now most of the problem is that you don't have the latest version. So make sure you have the latest version of your software to avoid this problem. There you go. If you found this video helpful, guys, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, just simply go ahead and comment down below, and we will do our best to answer them all. And see you in the next video.